How to deactivate your Binance account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you're using Binance and want to temporarily deactivate your account, firstly open up the Binance application and sign in to your account. Once you're signed in, go to the top left corner and tap on the hamburger menu button from the home page. Now click on your name at the top of the screen and then on the next page, select Security. Under Security, scroll down and tap on Manage Account at the bottom. On the next page, click on Disable Account. When you disable your account, all the pending withdrawals will be cancelled. Trading functions for your account will also be disabled. All the API keys for your account will be deleted. All the devices for your account will also be deleted, but your identity verification information will not be deleted. Simply tap on the disable account if you'd like to do it, and then you'll need to go ahead and confirm your deactivation. Enter your device's lock pin, verify with your passkey if prompted, and your account has now been disabled. Deactivation and permanent deletion are different. Disabling your account may restrict your account temporarily, while deleting your account is more permanent. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.